ARC Aerosystems ARC P9. The ARC P9 from ARC Aerosystems is a hybrid electric VTOL aircraft designed to address the challenges of urban mobility. This sleek and compact aircraft can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for crowded cities with limited space. Its state-of-the-art propulsion system offers a quieter and more energy-efficient flying experience, reducing both noise pollution and environmental impact. The ARC P9 is tailored for short-haul trips, providing a fast and convenient way to bypass traffic on the ground. With a strong emphasis on sustainability and cutting-edge aerodynamics, this aircraft is a glimpse into a world where urban transportation is no longer confined to roads but extends to the skies. Pivotal BlackFly. The Pivotal BlackFly is a trailblazing ultralight electric aircraft that makes the dream of personal aviation accessible to the masses. Designed with tandem wings for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, the BlackFly is compact, lightweight, and powered entirely by electricity, emphasizing its commitment to sustainability. It features an intuitive control system that ensures a seamless flying experience, even for beginners. One of its standout capabilities is its versatility, as it can take off and land on both water and land. This makes it ideal for recreational adventures or remote commutes. The BlackFly represents a new era of flight, offering an environmentally friendly and efficient way to navigate the world from a bird's-eye view. Lift Aircraft Hexa. The Hexa by Lift Aircraft is redefining recreational aviation with its innovative design and user-friendly controls. This single-passenger, multi-rotor aircraft features 18 independent rotors that provide stability and safety during flight. Built with lightweight materials, the Hexa is easy to operate and doesn't require a pilot's license in many jurisdictions. It's designed primarily for short, scenic flights, making it a perfect choice for thrill-seekers who want to experience the joy of flying without the complexities of traditional aviation. With its futuristic appearance, intuitive joystick controls, and the ability to hover effortlessly, the Hexa delivers a one-of-a-kind flying experience that feels like stepping into a science fiction movie. Jetson One. The Jetson One is a personal electric aircraft that makes flying as straightforward as driving a car. Built with a durable aluminum and carbon fiber frame, the Jetson One prioritizes safety, performance, and user accessibility. It features an intuitive joystick control system that allows pilots to navigate the skies effortlessly, even if they're new to aviation. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 63 miles per hour, the Jetson One offers a thrilling ride with a flight time of around 20 minutes per charge. Compact enough to fit in a standard garage, it's designed for everyday use, making it ideal for commuting, exploration, or simply enjoying the freedom of flight. The Jetson One is more than an aircraft. It's a step into the future of personal mobility. Cyclotech CruiseUp. The Cyclotech CruiseUp introduces a revolutionary concept in VTOL aviation with its patented cyclo-rotor propulsion system. Unlike traditional propellers, the cyclo-rotor provides precise control and exceptional maneuverability, allowing the CruiseUp to perform sharp turns and maintain stability even in turbulent conditions. Its compact and efficient design makes it an excellent choice for urban air mobility, especially in densely populated areas. The CruiseUp operates quietly and efficiently, reducing its environmental footprint while offering a practical solution to modern transportation challenges. Whether for commuting or logistics, the CruiseUp's advanced technology and futuristic design set it apart as a leader in the next generation of aerial vehicles. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet is an all-electric VTOL aircraft that combines elegance with cutting-edge engineering. Featuring 30 ducted fans integrated seamlessly into its wings, the Lilium Jet offers a quiet and energy-efficient flight experience. With a range of up to 155 miles and speeds exceeding 175 miles per hour, it's designed to revolutionize regional travel by connecting cities more efficiently than ever before. Inside, the Lilium Jet prioritizes passenger comfort, with a spacious cabin that feels more like a private jet than a commuter vehicle. By blending luxury, sustainability, and advanced technology, the Lilium Jet represents a bold step toward a future where regional air travel is faster, greener, and more convenient. Zapata Jetracer. The Zapata Jetracer is a high-speed personal aircraft that pushes the boundaries of jet propulsion technology. Powered by multiple small jet engines, this compact and futuristic flying machine delivers unmatched speed and agility. Its lightweight design and advanced aerodynamics allow for rapid maneuvers, making it an exciting option for both recreational use and potential military applications. With a focus on innovation and performance, the Jetracer offers an exhilarating experience for thrill seekers and a tantalizing glimpse into the future of personal aviation. Its bold design and powerful engines make it one of the most exciting aircraft on our list, offering a flight experience like no other. CopterPack. The CopterPack is a wearable helicopter that brings personal aviation to a whole new level of portability and convenience. Powered by an electric propulsion system, this backpack-style aircraft is equipped with two large rotors that provide lift and stability. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame ensures durability without compromising performance. Designed for short-distance travel or recreational flying, the CopterPack offers a unique way to experience flight without the need for a traditional cockpit or large aircraft. Its intuitive controls make it easy to operate, while its compact design means it's as practical as it is innovative. The CopterPack redefines personal mobility, offering a futuristic alternative to traditional transportation. J2000 Flying Car. The J2000 Flying Car combines the functionality of a road vehicle with the freedom of flight, offering a seamless transition between land and air. With its foldable wings and hybrid propulsion system, the J2000 is designed to address the challenges of urban transportation. Whether navigating congested streets or bypassing traffic from above, this vehicle provides a practical and efficient solution. The J2000's advanced technology ensures a smooth and safe transition between driving and flying modes, while its sleek design makes it a stylish choice for modern commuters. As flying cars inch closer to reality, the J2000 stands out as a frontrunner in the race to merge roads and skies. Emotion Aircraft. The Emotion Aircraft is a luxurious eVTOL designed to make personal aviation as effortless as possible. Featuring an advanced autopilot system, this aircraft allows passengers to enjoy the experience of flying without the need for extensive training. Its sleek design and spacious cabin prioritize comfort and elegance, while its efficient electric propulsion system ensures a sustainable and eco-friendly flight. Perfect for short commutes or recreational adventures, the Emotion Aircraft represents the intersection of luxury, innovation, and practicality. As personal aviation becomes more accessible, the Emotion Aircraft stands out as a symbol of what the future holds for those who dream of flying.